Uh, where is it? Here it is. What? So this doesn't work. What works? Oh my god. Really? What what is the fucking problem? I don't get it. Like this. So you couldn't hear that. Okay. Wait. Hello. Wow. So you couldn't hear that. Wow. Actually, wow. Does this thing have a filter? It actually sounds pretty good. On the like, do I sound fine? Is there like static on this mic? You probably can hear me breathe though, because it has no filter. Like no filter at all. Really? No static? I'm surprised if there is no static. Really? Okay. Okay. I believe you. I believe you. Okay. 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 All right then. We'll just use this audio for now. Anyways, uh if you're interested in what I'm making, uh as you can see, it's a chessboard, you know. Wait, let me actually pull up the chat on my phone so I don't have to switch tabs every few seconds. Here it is. Here it is. All right. So I am trying to make chess, basically. Basically. I don't know how hard it'll be, but yeah. Of course, there'll be like a twist on this chess. As you can see, it's called invisible chess. That's because, so maybe I'll explain to you the idea. Basically, I want to make a chess game, like a chess game mode, where you can't see the opponent's pieces, right? And the only thing you can see is, so when your opponent moves a piece, the only thing you can see is where that piece moves from. You don't know where it moves to. You only know where it moves from, right? And when you capture a piece, that's when you can know what you just captured. I'm pretty sure this version of chess already exists in like the physical world, but I want to make it in, I just want to, you know, interesting, almost like your username. Yes, your username is actually very interesting because that implies that I'm not one of them, right? Right? You're not scared of me, are you? But yeah, that's basically the idea. There's also another idea, like a game mode idea, where basically you can buy your own pieces. I was surprised it wasn't taken. Yeah, I'm also surprised it's not taken. You're actually the proud owner of that username. But yeah, so basically that in that other game mode you have like economy. So my plan was to make like 28 points, and each chess piece cost 1 point, right? So in like the what's it called, the setup phase, you can buy your own chess pieces, and you can only put it in this side of your board, right? So if you want to have just one king and then the entire thing is just pawns, you can do that. You know, this username would sell for at least 20. No, at least more. I believe it is worth more. You know, it's a very unique username. Okay, don't sell it short. Okay, don't sell it short. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to do. So right now I'm just trying to be able to make normal chess before I become able to do that. What do you mean it does not exist? Man, Unity is like super slow these days, low-key. Um but yeah. Wow. It's pretty long, huh? Just to create one script. Any second now. What's that? Hello there. True Flight 1. Thank you for the follow. Do I do I re-explain the entire thing? Okay. So we put this here, right? So right now I'm just kind of trying to set the board at the moment, which is basically trying to establish that the board has grids, right? Wait. the chat was not scrolling. Okay. So this I'm just gonna rename this the grids so that I know. So right now what I want to do is basically identify every chess piece ever, right? Doesn't matter what team, which is this, this has like a chess piece thing. We basically identify every chess piece and then snap it to a grid, to the nearest grid. So how we do that is basically we need to get a list of all the chess pieces. How do I do that? List. I need a list of the chess pieces, and then void. Do I use a void? No. Okay. Huh. Oh, let's make it set active later on. I'm his schizophrenia demon. What? What does that mean? I'm scared, guys. Like that. And then chess pieces equals find objects of type chess piece, like that. What is happening, guys? Okay. So we identified every chess piece ever. So what do we do? So for each chess piece, grid piece nearest grid, like this. So for each, wait. So it's transform. No. Transform position. Transform piece, maybe piece. Yeah. So transform piece for each grid piece in grids. What do we do? So what do we do? Shit. By the way, that was my main account. Oh, I see. All right. So you have two accounts. So this is. Oh, sorry. I actually actually mispronounced the name. It's True Fight. I said True Flight. For fuck's sake. Okay. So, nearest float bestest, right? Basically, which is mat f infinity. Oops. And then grid piece best equals null. And then for each grid piece, what do we do? Float distance equals vector tree dot distance. What is it? Piece dot position. Oh, piece. Wait, what is it? Grid. Grid. Yeah, grid. Position to grid dot position. Dot transform dot position. Like this. If this is I also have a French flight account. Why? I'm scared of sexy VTubers taking a break. He's busy now. Oh, I believe you. Okay, so if the distance is less, then best dist equals dist, and then best equals gray. And then in the end, it returns best. Okay, so now for each chess pieces, we lock them up. So piece dot transform dot position equals nearest grid dot what's it called dot piece dot transform dot position. Piece dot transform. For fuck's sake. Okay. This should snap the things, right? So let's say we move it like here. This should snap up. Should. Yes, it snaps. Yeah. Nice. Okay. But this doesn't really work. Now that I think of it, it should be in here, actually. It should be on the pieces themselves because we're going to have to be able to move the piece. Actually, I'm gonna make an enum here for the pieces piece type. This actually makes it easier. So basically it's going to be like switch case. So if it's this piece type, it's going to be able to move this way. You know what I'm saying? So it's a pawn. What else is there? Bishop, knight, rook, queen, and king. Right? This is all the pieces, right? Yeah. So when we move, how do we make it move? For fuck's sake. How do we make it move? How do we make this move though? how do I make it so that it knows how it moves? So pawn is pretty easy, right? It only moves upwards technically. Yeah. Technically it only moves upwards. So if this is like the pawn, it only moves upwards. And then it moves 1, 1, 1. But how do I... The thing is, I need to visualize where it's going to move. And how do I make that visualization? Oh, wait. So, every grid piece... Oh. Is this you again? Is this you again? Huh? Why do you have so many accounts? um. Oh. Like this. Because PTSD? What does that mean? So, every one of these would have a circle sprite. Of course, it's not gonna be this obnoxiously big, right? Wow, this is a really, really, really tedious. Okay. Circle, 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 circle. Yeah. Like this. Wow, this is hurting my eyes. Man, the word circle has lose all meaning to me. Are we almost there yet? No, it's 64, isn't it? For fuck's sake. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, it's going to be 0.2 maybe and 0.2. So this signifies, and then we put this all on set active, right? So for example, this is a pawn. It's going to light up these two circles, right? And then we can just click on this and then do that. Yep. I'm a genius. But how do I do that? I need a click detector. Click detector will have to be an instance. Public static click detector instance. If instance equal null, what do I do? Instance new click detector. Yep. Else instance equals this. So when we click, what do we click on? If we get clicked, if the chess piece gets clicked, right? Is there a on mouse down? On mouse down is called when the user has pressed the mouse button while over the GUI element or collider. Uh-huh. Okay, so they have to have a collider. The chess pieces. Chat. Okay, I need to drink. You should drink too. Okay. So you need a collider. Can it be circle collider 2D? Or does it have to be 3D? See, that's what I don't know. Oh, there is a physics out raycast 2D, isn't it? Oh, right. Wait, it is an update. Okay. If physics dot raycast. Okay. What raycast do we need? Oh wait. There's a ray. Okay. Ray equals input dot get. Oh my god. It's camera, or is it? Oh, it's camera main. Camera main screen to ray point. Yeah. Okay. Screen point array. Ray hit. Ray. I don't think we need max distance, right? Okay. Hit. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, oops. What? Int layer mask. Matf infinity. What? Why though? What? Vector 3? I want this one. Oh, out. Oh my god, for fuck's sake. Okay. Okay. So, and input. Where's and? And input dot get button down. Get. Yeah, it's button. Fire one. Okay. So what do we do when we click on it? If it's a chess piece, oh wait, I get it. Public chess piece selected piece. If hit dot collider dot get component dot chess piece is not null, then chess piece, oh wait, no, selected piece equals that hit dot, yeah, Yahoo! There you go. Now what? Okay, so we selected the piece. Now what do we do with the selected piece? And then if hit dot collider dot get component grid piece is not null, if selected piece is not null, then we move selected piece dot transform equals hit dot collider dot transform dot position nice. Okay, but now each board has to have a collider. This has to be a collider 3D, right? I think so. Probably has to. Oh my god. It takes so fucking long. What am I doing? Okay, better save this. There you go. Put this all with a collider. I'm just gonna make it a sphere collider. Yeah, like that. Actually, box collider. Okay, like that. And then this with a sphere collider. How about that? So what does this do? Aha. Okay. Okay. Okay, the piece can move. Guys, the piece can move. So now we need to, what is it called? We need to know each piece's available move. Right? Yeah. Available move. How do I do that? Hmm. 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 Actually, I have no idea. Maybe colliders? No, that doesn't work. That's not scalable. That's that. Yeah, that is very not scalable actually. Huh. Okay. So each chess piece basically has like a footprint, right? A footprint. So what does that footprint mean? It means how do I huh. This is mind-boggling. So I'm thinking about a vector, vector 3, maybe vector 2. Hmm. Maybe it's a series of vector trees. Hmm. But that doesn't work. Uh, how do... Okay. So, a pawn can only move one square, which is basically that, right? So, it's only up. How do I make it know that it only can move up? Hmm. That's weird. That's... Huh. I'm not too sure. It can't be vector 2's. It has to already know, basically. So I don't think it's scalable if it's here. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. And oops. Oops. Yeah, that's not good, right? Oh, oops. That actually for fuck's sake. Grid piece coordinates plus occupancy. Oh. Oh, right. So it knows which piece is which. Wait. Because the map of chess doesn't change, right? Okay. So what does this do? Oh, it. Okay. Changes the local position to the board chords. Okay. Place piece, grid piece, get tile from world. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay. So this is the board, right? This is the board. What is this? Current tile. Oh, that's in chess piece, right? That's supposed to be in chess piece. Get legal moves. Hold on. Base chess piece can. Oh. Target. Okay. Wait, is this in chess piece? Oh, it is. Oh, rook piece from chess piece. Ah, okay. What is current tile though? That's what I want to know. What is current tile? Chess piece dot. Oh, here it is. Grid piece. For fuck's sake. Like that. Right. And then enum. White or black. Okay. And then the grid piece is fine. And this thing, current tile, which is grid piece. Grid piece has occupant, but of course it's not spelled correctly. And then there's this thing, rook piece to chess piece. So it's a derivative, right? Yeah, let's say this thing is a rook. A rook. Rook. It's occupant and occupant. What is it again? What is this? Oh, here, let me just copy all of this and put it here. So let's read what it's doing, right? Select the tile. Okay. So the grid piece, if the tile isn't null, yeah, okay, selected is also not null, which is the board, the chess piece, and then the selected chess piece can move to the tile, and then, oh, it's then capture, and then selected is null. Okay. Well, let's see then. Let's see what happens. Well, Okay. So this is only for capture. But I want it to move. Oh, but it is already moved. Technically already moved. Wait. Yeah, it is. Huh? It does have a collider. Correct. Team white. Okay, that's whatever, right? It's already supposed to move, but it does not move. Wait, where's the chess piece thing? Here it is. And then oh, oh wait, no. It is already a derivative of the chess piece. So why doesn't it do that? Return move for a new list grid piece. Okay, yeah. Add ray dy current tile while true equals null moves add. If not, then not. Hmm. Um. Can I wait? Wait in detector. Let me see if it's selected. It is selected. Where is it right now? Okay, let me put this. Actually, put this down here. Let's see if it snaps. Actually, I want to see if it snaps. Okay, it snaps. Like that. What? Oh wait. Okay, it knows. So what's the dealio? Hmm. Let me check. Selected equals piece. Right. Collider grid piece. Yeah. So if it clicks on a grid. Hmm. I wonder. Aha. Wait a minute. There you go. How about now? There you go. There you go. Okay. 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 There you go. So in the chess piece though, we need to be able to know we need to be able to set these. All right. Okay, so the moves is, what does that mean? Let's make a bishop, because I think bishop would be easy as well. Should be. Anyways, let's make it here, right? Make it a bishop. Bishop! That's bishop. Bishop. Okay, so it's the exact same thing. Exact same thing. Right? But, oh shit, I accidentally zoomed in. And this is -1, -1, and 1. Does that make sense? Does it? Okay. We have to check, I guess. Aha! It works. Of course it can't, right? Nice. Okay, so right now we have for fuck's sake, legal moves, right? Legal moves. Chess piece, this thing contains target. Yep. Okay, so for right now I want to make a visualization of the grid piece. Right. No. Visualization. Wait, let me go to the toilet. All right. I'm back. Okay, so the visualization. Okay, so if, but now I'm going to have to set the entire thing. You know what? We'll set it once, and then everything will be fine, right? Right? Right. Quack. This is really tedious. Jesus Christ. There has to be a better way. But yeah. We're halfway there. This is actually tiring for some reason. Holy shit. Finally. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now if selected is not null, so for each grid piece, as in selected dot get Leo moves, right? S dot visualization equals set active. Okay, wait. Dot set active true. And then on here we make it false again. Okay, finally. Let's see if this works. It doesn't. What? Why doesn't it work? Why does it not work? Hmm. Ah. Right. Right, mate. Right. Right, ini. Right. Ah, right. Right, mate. Right. Right. Now does it work? Yes. Why can it not go? But you can. also still do that. Harm. Why does it not do that? Get tile xy if t equals null, break if t dot occupant equals null, moves t, continue, moves at t. What is t? T board dot get tile. Okay. So it's from us, so from current tile, right? 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 While true. Okay. Oh, wait, you actually can't, huh? Now that I think of it. So this is correct already. Nice. Yay! Yes. Yes. Can I eat someone? Boom. Oh, oops. Heh. Okay, I get it. 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 If tiles, if the tile is null and the selected equals null, equals not null. Okay. We capture to it. Right. So this is black and this is white. So why don't you capture? Bruh. What is happening? Okay. But that is legal move though. Bruh. Yeah, it's correct though. If the tile occupant isn't null, yeah, and the occupant, and we destroy the chess piece, and then we move it up there. Oh, what? What, guys? What? What is happening? Oh, I'm getting tired. Chat. I'm getting tired, so I'm gonna maybe continue this tomorrow or something.